What's up, hello y'all, it's your girl Omari, and I'm back at it again with another video. And in today's video we will be doing this bubblegum scissor inspired pink hair, period. Alright, and if you'd like to know how I got this look, stay tuned.
Nobody else made it smooth. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We ride around the love, ride around the trip, ride around the dick. Ride around the slap me out the dick. Don't sit.
So hey y'all, number one, don't mind that one of my nails are done, the other one isn't. These are press-ons. My job doesn't allow me to have on nails, and this is my birthday, so I be got doggone if I'm not gonna have no nails on my birthday, baby. But yeah, these are birthday nails. I gotta put the other set on my hands. But yes, back to the hair. This is my ball cap. I use Milani concealer and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation concealer in the shade Mahogany. I think it was another word after that. Then I also use the Ruby Kisses 3D Face Creator in level 16. My camera does not autofocus in this level 16. Thank you. Okay. So, if you do not know how to do a ball cap, all you do is you get a wig cap of your choice. It'll look like this, and then you slick back your edges. I don't usually use this. I use the yellow one. This is all I had, so you use this, and then you use the Evans spray to spray back your edges, and then you pull them back and brush them back as well, and you blow dry them, and then they're gonna get hard. And then that's where you're gonna take your 91% alcohol. The 91% alcohol. You're gonna take that, and then you're gonna cleanse your perimeter before putting on your cap. And then you're gonna, I use bowl hold, and this is the bowl hold for oily, dry to normal skin, but I have oily skin, but around my edges I can always dry. Anyway, it's either here or there. And then you're also gonna go in with this, and you're gonna blow dry. You're gonna wait till they get hard. And for the best results, you use an eyebrow razor. Now you might cut yourself a little bit. Well, not cut yourself, because I didn't cut myself, but when I put the alcohol on it, it stung a little bit. And I also use shears. So that is how I got to this point right now. I'm gonna show you guys some wig. Don't mind it. It is pink. I will be doing pink today, baby. This is a bubblegum pink hair. Well, it's not really pink, but it's a really pretty pink. This is the wig. I'm gonna link it down below. I got it from AliExpress. Now, originally it did come extremely thin. Actually, let me pull up the wig information. Y'all listen. So this wig is the Ishow 613 lace front wig, 13 by 4, transparent lace front wig. Put a link down below for y'all. I'm gonna put a link down below for y'all. And if I'm looking up here, I'm looking at the viewfinder. I'm not looking inside the camera as I should. I'm sorry, y'all. But I'm gonna link it down below. I ordered a 13 by 4 lace front, 28 inches, 180% density. But that wig was not 180%. I had to buy 2 more bundles, which I didn't use the other bundle. I just used one more, and I added it on. But this is what the lace frontal looks like. It's not even a real frontal for real. I'm finessing the hell out of this side part, because I wanted to do a side part with girls. Then the wig was a little too big, so I had to cut and sew the sides. So yeah, let's just get this install started. I'm excited, so let's go. He need that, need the thighs. He eat that up and in the
walking in the right. He keep that, keep it running like it pump. He need that, need her up beneath the thighs. He that up in the night. He see that in the dark and in the right. He keep that, keep it running.
I do my hair by section. So I start with, I do 3 sections. This is the first section, second, third. Because one is 613 here, and colored hair always acts worse. Now hair is soft, it's really soft, but like I told y'all initially when I got the hair, it was very thin, and that's the problem. I don't like thin hair, so I went and bought $100 613 24 inch bundle from my local beauty supply store, colored it, and then added it in. Speaking of coloring, the colors that I use is Hawaiian Fire and Raspberry something. I'm gonna put a picture of it. Put a picture either right here, somewhere on the screen. Yeah, initially the wig was very thin, like I curled the hair, and you still saw like my shirt through the hair, and that's a big one. Okay, y'all. So I told you I cut the wig. I cut the lace because the wig was too little. Because I got a big head. I have a huge head. So some places it's still questionable. I'm not gonna lie. This wig is probably gonna be very tight on my head. So I'm just gonna cut this up. See this? That's the front. I'm finessing the fuck out of this wig. I'm tired of finessing. I'm tired of the finesse. Y'all need to make wigs for big haired girls. I have a big head. A huge head. Gigantic. Literally. Huge. I got a little bit on the hair, but it's okay. I'm trying to get it out. Okay, so it's ashy, so that's why we're gonna use spritz and the ebony. I don't know if I'm gonna use the ebony or the spritz. The spritz I always just do something for it. I think I might use the spritz. If y'all don't know what spritz is by now, this is what it is. This is the secret to a good long-lasting lace. So I'm gonna use this. I'm not gonna directly spray it on there. I'm gonna use my fingers so I can control where I want it to go. Now we're gonna pull out the edges. Hot comb warming up. I got my hot comb from the beauty supply store. Let's just freshen up this part a bit before we get with the nitty-gritty.
sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, okay. I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests. And I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped a Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro housing. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send them back to metro housing. Yeah. Too sexy for this too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for the life, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack.
Something about the way that you talk to me, even when you're not around, I feel you, boy. I feel you, boy. Tangled in your love and your energy. Perhaps it was the way that you smile. I see you, boy. Oh, I need you, boy. 'Cause I have been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. To find someone like you. Yeah, yeah, 'cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. Find someone like you. Baby, I want this to last forever. Oh yeah. Baby, I want this. Can we make this last forever? Oh yes. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Go to the Drake, fuck it out, making them pay. It's high and niggas won't take it. Hey, I'm having my way. Said out here having this way. Way out here having this way. And like the third me go out. Take me. What? Go to the Drake. What else are they gonna play? It's high and niggas won't take it. Hey, I'm having my way. Said out here having this way. Way out here having this way. And like the third me go out. Take. What? Hey. Yeah. I'm picking it through, I just ain't fell in love cause I'm way too awake. And she try fucking a rapper to break on my heart, but my heart doesn't break. Soon as I link with these niggas, they feelings are written all over their face.
So I am installed, layered. Now I'm about to curl with this Xtava curling iron. I got this from Amazon. Put it on its highest setting. I don't know how to do layers, y'all, but I'm about to curl it and then I'm gonna be right back. Alright, y'all, so here's how it looks with the curls layered and everything, baby hairs. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like to see more hair videos,